Hello, welcome to Gillette Outdoors. My name is William Gillette, and today we're going to talk about droplets. Alright, so we're going to talk about droplets today. This is this month's photo contest, so I wanted to give you guys some ideas and tips and tricks and all that good stuff like I did last month that seemed to work out well. First thing I'm going to do is show you one of my secrets, behind the curtain, the magic, and it is this right here. I don't know if that's in focus or not, but that is pure glycerin. All right, this is from a drugstore here in town. Pure glycerin. My sun's going down. A little bit of water. You're gonna mix those together. About 25, 75, 1/4 mix, whatever you want to say. Little spray bottle. Put it in just a little tiny misting spray bottle, and the best kind of spray bottles that you're gonna use for this are the ones that really atomize the water. You want the mist as fine as you can get it. You don't want like a spritz. You want a spray. You want a mist, like just a little. I don't know if that's even showing up on camera. It's probably showing up on my camera. But yeah, you're gonna 1 part glycerin, pure glycerin, 1 part water, and then another 2 parts water. So you will need a few tools, a few tools of photography. Number 1, a camera, obviously. A lens, a zoom lens. If you have a macro lens will work great, but not always necessary. I know a lot of people that take good droplet photography with just a regular old zoom lens. You zoom in as far as you can. You put your camera on a tripod, the next thing that you're gonna need, and you move it around until you get it just right so your focus is perfect. And then with a little cropping and a little zhuzhing up in your editing program, you can make that photo look amazing. Camera, lens, tripod, the pure glycerin, a little bit of water. You may need an eyedropper or a syringe. One of the things that you use for like baby medicine, a little tiny dropper syringe like that will work awesome. I didn't have one of those today, so I ended up using a drinking straw. You improvise, you make good with what you got. That's about it. There's not too much to it. Let's get out here and make some awesome droplet photography.
So this first effect is going to be kind of a misty, sparkly, almost a foggy effect, and that's what you're going to get when you use this little misting spray bottle like this. I'm going to speed this up so we can get through it. You will need a lot of mist in order to make it look right. So it's not just a couple of sprays like you'd think, it's actually a lot of sprays. But just keep doing it until it looks right. I mean, there's really no wrong way to put mist on a plant. Just in case you're wondering, like I was, this pure glycerin is actually safe for plants. I believe it's plant-based in most cases. I think they use soy. So it's safe for plants, so you're not harming the plant by spraying this on there. Alright, next I wanted to give you kind of a real-world application for this too. I do wedding photography and other types of photography, product, things like that. So I wanted to bring a couple's wedding rings out into the woods today and take photos of them with this misty effect. You'll see how much richer and more beautiful the photos actually look. So just an idea for real-world effects here.
Okay, so that's how you get that misty, foggy looking, sparkly droplet. Now let me show you how to get one grand droplet. Just one amazing grand droplet. Okay guys, so this is gonna be where I'm gonna put my drops. Super easy project here. You're just gonna take your glycerin straight, don't cut it with water at all. You're just gonna stick something inside of it. I just happen to have the straw laying around me. Some people use an eyedropper, some people use a syringe. There's all kinds of different ways to do it. But the main idea is to just put a little bit on the end. The glycerin is very viscous, so it hangs on to whatever you can kind of see it dripping off there. It drips real slow. So basically all you're going to do is just touch the areas that you want your drips and your drops to be. And you just kind of got to give it time to find where it's going to settle to. Just put just add a little bit at a time. A syringe actually works great for this. I do not have a syringe on me today, but I mean, who wants to go out there and try to chase down a syringe when you can use a drinking straw and get the same effect? So I'm gonna put a couple of drops on here, and then I will take some photos. That looks pretty good. All right, guys, so I hope that this video got the gears turning, got you thinking about what you're gonna do this month to go out there and take some great droplet photography. Next thing I need you to do is click like and click share on the video, so that way I can continue to bring you guys videos, continue to make this stuff, so that way we can share our tips and tricks and all that good stuff. And I really appreciate the entire community and everything that you guys do, because I know it's not easy to drag your furniture outside and go get this glycerin and go do that and go out and take pictures. But I sure have a great time looking at your photos. I love all the questions and the comments. You guys are awesome. You guys are a great group of people, and I love to continue to do this for you guys. So if you could like and share, and William Gillette from Gillette Outdoors, I'll see you guys soon. We'll have another video coming up. Find some flowers, find some leaves, find some tree branches, the ferns, all that good stuff, and make some awesome, amazing, awesome, whatever.